I'm the Truthless Reseller. We're back with another episode. I found something ridiculous on Facebook Marketplace. I just happened to click on Facebook Marketplace and hit the free thing like I normally do, and this whole bag just popped up. I didn't believe that was actually for free, so I messaged the people, and well, it was. So let's take a look at what's inside this bag. So this is what I come across, and they were laying on a table. I didn't really look at them completely when I was looking at the picture. I just happened to see that there were action figures and there were wrestlers. And these things are actually, they seem to be the older ones. Got a Rey Mysterio here. And got a Rey Mysterio here. Got an Edge right there. So let's just take them out of the bag and go through and see what we got. This is a little bit of the extremeness when I laid all these things out. So some of them are newer, some of them are older. But right here on this table, there's a total of 50 of these action figures. We got Edge. We got Rey Mysterio. I do believe that's a vintage one. We got another Rey Mysterio. I'm not going to name them all off because I can't name them all off now because some of them are new. Got John Cena. Can't remember your name. I know you. I know he was with Roman Reigns. Another John Cena. We got Braun Strowman. Mick Foley from like 1986. I think that's what said on his back. Let's see. Here is it. His foot. Right there we are. Can't really see anything, but yeah, it says number 86. 1986. Daniel Bryan, Russo. We got some. Oh, we got The Rock here. We got AJ Styles. We got Kurt Angle. The Kid. That guy. Kid. We got pretty decent ones. We got an Andre the Giant over here. The Rock. This guy's pretty cool. He's the announcer dude from back when. As you guys can see him going across here. Now, the thing is, I didn't pay anything for him other than the gas to go get him. It took me 20 minutes to go get them, and they were free. So I mean, we got Brock Lesnar. We got that's the new guy, or I can't think of his name. Got the guitar player guy. We got I think that's I can't Bam Bam Bigelow. I cannot remember this guy's name. We got the back when the original Shawn Michaels action figure from like I think that's from 90s or 80s. Can't picture that guy. Let's see, who is he? Oh, it's Alberto Del Rio. Then we got Dean. Hey, check this out. We got a Kevin Nash over here. That's an older one. That's NWO. I can't not remember this guy's name right here. Got Kurt Angle, and then we got who is this? Does anybody know? I'm trying to think of his name. There's so many new people. I mean, he's not really new. I think he's been in WWE for like 10 years. So let's move over to the other table where the other ones are. Now, unfortunately, Triple H, he's missing his head. This guy here, I know he's passed away, so I might actually keep this one here, but he's missing his foot. Mr. McMahon, well, he lost his arm, so somebody had a field day with him. I can't really place what wrestler this would have been, but he's missing a head too. Got a random Hulk Hogan bodysuit thing over here. Now, if we come up here, I might actually go on here. No, I don't think so. Well, this one right here, this is a Hulk Hogan. He feels kind of like rubbery, stretchy. Let's see if there's anything on him in here. I don't see any marks on him, anything like that. I might just have to look him up. That's an old one, though. This right here is Triple H, but it's that rubbery type, that like stretchy type. It's not really stretchy, though. It's just kind of rubbery. Then we have this guy. And for some reason, is it King Kong Bundy? I can't remember his name. But that is definitely old. I'd have to, can't really see the marking on the back if you guys can. I don't know if you... See if I can get the camera to focus here. There you guys go. What's that say? 85? So that's from 1985. So right here on this counter, there are a total of an even 50 figures. Over there's the 3 big ones, and there's the ones with the missing parts. As I was looking them up on the eBay, the internet, they range from like the $14.99 and up price-wise. So I figure if I stick them on eBay, Macquarie for $10 each, or just a little bit lower, maybe $9.50 or $8, somewhere in there, I feel like they will fly off the shelf pretty well, considering they're pretty old. Some of them are, but if I put them on there for like $10, $8 to $10, I feel like they'll just fly off the shelf and they won't be sitting there, which I don't really want them to be sitting there because this is a lot of action figures to go through. I'm going to take pictures of all of them and log them and all that. So yeah, I feel like $10 will be like a decent even price for them all. There's just so many of them here. Anyway, subscribe down below, guys. Thanks for watching.